In this video, I am going to draw this model. The 2D drawing of the front view is given. Please note the dimension and let's start it. So I'm going to select the front plane, YZ plane, and then go to sketch, and the normal to view is in front of us. Then I am going to select the centered rectangular and move your mouse to the origin where the coordinates are 0 0. Click it, drag it, and leave it. And now I am going to add the dimensions. So this one is 80 millimeter, and this one is 60 millimeter, and I am going to zoom it little bit, not that much. So now I am going to select the profile tool. I am going to draw the line, then vertical line, then horizontal line, and then deselect the profile command. Then I am going to select the quick frame, and I am just going to remove this line. Okay, and then I am going to go to corner, and I am going to add a corner between this line and this line. And then I am going to corner this line and this line. The dimension of the corner is 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is given, which is 10 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is also given, which is also 10 millimeter. And then I am going to draw a center rectangular from origin, and the dimension of this square is also given. It's 20, and again it's 20, and the dimension from this point, and this point is also given. This dimension is added automatically, so we are going to delete this dimension because this dimension is over defining our sketch. Okay, and then we are going to add the dimension from this line. It's also given 10. Now you see our sketch is fully defined. Then we are going to mirror this portion of the sketch to the other side. So I am going to press Ctrl, select this line, this corner, this line, corner, and this line. Then I am going to click on mirror, and I am going to select this reference, this vertical reference. So you see this shifted to the other side. Now we are going to trim this portion. So I am going to select quick trim, and I'm going to trim this portion. Now our sketching is completed. I am going to exit the sketch, and now I am going to select pocket because pad, because we are going to add the material to this sketch and convert it to 3D. Selected, the selection is made, sketch 1 is selected, and then we are going to specify the dimension. I am going to select the mirror, so I want to add the material on both sides of the sketch. So I am going to select mirror and I am going to put the dimension 40. The model is ready.